Question 5. Given that a and b are positive constants, solve the simultaneous equations a equals 3b and log a plus log b equals 2, where both logs are to the base 3. Give your answers as exact numbers. And we'll call this one equation 1, and we'll call this one equation 2. I'll begin by writing down the rules for logarithms that we'll be using to tackle this question. We'll be using the fact that log a plus log b can be written as the log of ab. We'll also be using the fact that log of a to the power b can be written as b log a. And finally, if y is equal to log x to some base a, then we can say that x is a to the power y. That means the same as y equals log x. Right, we're now ready to tackle the question. And I can say from the second equation, we can add these logs together and say the log to the base 3 of AB is equal to 2. And now I can substitute for A from 1. And I get the log to the base 3 of, well, A is 3b, so 3b times b is 3b squared. And that's equal to 2. Now I'm going to use this rule in reverse. I'm going to use it to split the 3 and the b squared. So I can say the log to the base 3 of 3 plus the log to the base 3 of b squared is equal to 2. And I'll use this second relationship here to say that log of b squared is the same as 2 log b. So that will give me a log 3 to the base 3 plus 2 log b to the base 3 is equal to 2. Now, log 3 to the base 3, 3 expressed as a power of 3 is 1. So log 3 to the base 3 is just 1. Plus 2 log b is equal to 2. So we can now say that 2 log b, taking the 1 to the other side, 2 minus 1 is 1. So log b to the base 3 is a half when I divide through by 2. Now if log b to the base 3 is a half, that is the same as saying that b is equal to 3 to the power a half, or b is equal to the square root of 3, 3 to the power half being the square root of 3. And our final answer, go back and substitute in 1. Once I know that b is root 3, a is simply 3 root 3. And that completes the question. Given exact answers, a is 3 root 3 and b is root 3.